Amamere do na Amamere yebo mu Oguaa Feru Afahye ase Oguaa Feru Afahye Afahye bia igwefo na wozi ntina ye chede ye chema igwe kro no nyinara rubutu worizi hona afe na onafo mokrara ehwe mechire behu de oyaza bebiara aye orange na ende Friday na igwe krom hade odu fida se worizi afahye na ifida na no yezizi Orange Friday na it be said Orange Friday bazaar Orange Friday or your float and kofu bebre opo ya bana wash orange color na the biggest carnival West Africa nyimpa wo pay waba bananto no na oba bez asaw no ibi nsi obabi ada and so bandama na obiara epuepu efini dem wa ba be change na agba no na wore shares orokodo na this year mehu wore yo ye hwe kakra bi was ka ho mehu there ndonkofo ni mo address won ho ndonkofo wore yo ye hwe kakra de hwe mbra oya ya hene forefathers and ancestors no what by ndonko azama abrofo wo krom hade nti no repam no mama ahwe no souls are orokodo wo honom no na sisiara za erihwe e trailer kesa speakers na ze sisodo wa nyom na asaw amoframa worizi onya asamaka ba kwara nti no menyima brother penyin Friday menyima brother penyin CJ and I'm bringing now. Chief Jerry Fossen. Orange Friday. Now they are bundle. Orange. Friday. Now, I say, BBI set, BBI come over BBI come over Them you can do two gun. And as the climax, it's the biggest street carnival in the whole of Africa. The Oguaa Feru Afahye Orange Friday, and it's the 13th edition. And I quite remember the first edition Namo Cape Kusa. Yes, Namo Cape Kusa. Yes, Shasenka Kranka in Fie Dumiensa any. Now Orange Friday came about as a result of Cape FM, affiliate Cape FM. Now one more AD, one more Affidida, their first anniversary. Cape FM former colors, orange and a green, just like Adom TV, Adom FM, colors no pepe. Enti eba ne sana fe orange no wo mu pa ana o me say oh ana sadia Friday no yenye no Orange Friday ana ene na mu for 13 years. This is the 13th edition of Orange Friday here in Cape Coast. Ya ka say afei ana nante no ahyase wo abra aha ya ye de na mu kopie pedu junction na afei ye de ani akyerem ewo Cape Coast Chrome na fe yakwa akọwie wo Victoria Park sana dwumadie no ebekọ in fact ayanije nko girls boys enche bia ebebu asim na fe yani amanfo ni bi atwetwe enkomo enne yakwa kapem anafa na fe ya de bibia de abron tisha ne so menyima kyereba na maame boatma the fancy door onu gwa ha na ofi gwa ha nti ya badu krom nsahu Internal no church baby the first trailer and who was shot in the mono first trailer see ya obaya makuma and so and sound eguso na Adom there me haha maninka yesha say kra no roughly about 4,000 people now we are counting in excess of about 10,000 people and anyone be walkie it's big. Connections near there, and I didn't name one. Man, Botman, and I shall see. Papa, Vemono, oh, was sorry, oh, great crow, and not was sorry, no, you man, Amamudo, Waka, Kana, Papa. Now, the oil menu capa, oh, Orange Friday, and yeah, one of my walk from Hanon Cotina, Waba, Ebabaka, oh, my to Santani and Antono, as a crowd, I am a fell Papa, or Orange Friday, who a Yimpa Doma, what free in crowd, Benny, welcome, had a binum free to the Kumase and kind of four baby Sunyani Funazing in Arano, or Babaka, Igwe Chrono, not Wetum, not Wako, Orange Friday. Odamidaya, road baby, while block traffic or Chromono, on Yasam Kakraba, Sunday, Igwe Kro Amanohoda, or a Kaka noho, on Yasam Kakraba cry, Yimpano Drosso. Yeah, Nimpanya, say Butuman Chiriwa. Onya some kakraba, Nimpano woman kasa, na chada orange baby, orange.
Orange Friday.
Orange
Friday.
Now what Friday?
My friend is Steven.
Okay, see my Yanton Santana and I am I feel Orange Friday you who then the city and the Yashas.
Okay, you see, I bomb, but we were expecting more because we just started. So now you can see that the people are just trooping in. So maybe around 4:30, then you see that the whole crowd is here, and then the jobs goes on. So
now you come had a free Anna.
But you say
you freak you wear Hannah.
But sure that
okay, it's free here for me.
Me free, my dance is out, but I'm just a student here. So I'm doing my PhD at the moment, so I'm just a student here. So we are all just here to enjoy ourselves. So it's Orange Friday, and then it's once in a lifetime, so we just have to enjoy the moments.
Into no, I say remember that say papa. Into no, it's not my catch on. Our whole baby, we walk from Hade. Now, Zebu who is Sierra, he has a crom Hade, your friend knows Sakrimadu. Now, Yakata Sakrimadu, we walk from Hade. Now, I am renting bar was watching Gina, and the Athens, Atanson Dona was an answer. On the form of cry, why a simple be there be what try to see Sierra some bottle. On the form of cry, but in Brenton Bay, one answer dona, Bibiara, come, Vim one papa. Now, Yapa, where she had no, to make catch on painful warm, more from a warm, beautiful beer. Orange Friday, and you age. Orange Friday, and you age, you cry. If you biara, Ezi Biarano, Aquanya the home or the Botumuna, I join the carnival. Now, Oruko do papa, one my warrior, Yashre, one more one my watcher, or ya come on so no, watcher come up papa. Now, a very good thing as of Orange Friday when you're there, a Benya, Quenya, a share or Bia, who natural, go for a connect papa, Mammy Bay. Meshanko February, Honomamu, who want to change so many years in ye, but Menya Quenya and Orange Friday, Meshon was say. CJ, no more papa, no, I can observations are put on other baby.
Just say I'm a lion, and one idea, my best Kakana may surveying. So we are still here. Orange Friday, the 13th edition of Orange Friday. And Yadi free Cape Coast. Yadi Ebra, it's the biggest street carnival. It's the biggest street carnival. Boy, Adom TV. Feeling good. Ever kept close to September or the whole world at Orange Friday or the whole world. I got to go to Atasa. It's a catch of the next year. Orange! All right, feeling the same, and feeling the same, and it's the biggest. And this is what I mean when I say this is the biggest street carnival. This is the biggest street carnival in the whole world. And this is right here on the biggest TV station, Adom TV. The energy level no our high. Energy level no. Carnival no asase. So far, nipa babro 4,000. Anyone more ashe float to no ase. Yeah, I'm for Amamere being education come. Auntie, Afishapa.
Afi come to yen.
Your process.
Me pacho me ching ya papa.
I catch you and one I work out.
Your friend me Eliza.
Eliza. Come here now.
Me pacho me free in crime. Me didn't pay free in crime bar for the tour. Yeah, well, Elysium tours in Jam Rock restaurant.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so how's it going? How's the feeling like?
It is amazing. It is a great feeling.
Is this your first time Orange Friday?
This is my very first Orange Friday, and I think it's going to be an annual event for my lifetime. It is the most hyped Ghanaian festival in Ghana, and I am very, very happy to be here today with my crew as well. It is amazing. It is so beautiful, and to see this parade, the theatrical performance of the group all the way is going to go through all the principal streets. It's a good job done. Fantastic.
Right. Thank you very much. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
All right. Amamere Feru Afahye ni ombe chichi enkomo. Na fe ya disanya feeling no etie boys, girls. Now, Mamimba Ghana Police Service for Abaso. Ghana Police Service. Afi Biara Ghana Police Service. Omubu Juma. Afi so they are on top of their game. Ghana Police Service. Memma Wanuma Baso. Omubu Juma papa. Brass band, spinning machines. Any agro ahodo. And I try shema. Yade masabra, many sound. Bambasa no kasa. Bra. Afishapa.
I think about it.
You're from saying?
You're from DJ Blue G.
DJ
Blue G.
Blue D. Now Obo Hambabiana.
But I make my elbow float.
Fantastic. Feeling it to say, Orange Friday, I just say.
BBR the now can be massive. Massive.
Yeah. And to listeners, I'm not for anymore. That's right.
I went to my next year, but wasn't there. I represent life.
That's right.
That's Orange Friday for you.
But that's it. Big ups. All right. And to Yanko and na yani amafono and chuche and komo. Masa bra. Masa bra. Orange
Friday.
Feeling incident.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Now orange way.
Oh, I'll let you man if you be bend. I feel more should be at all.
Fantastic. If you go
yeah.
Okay. And now Orange Friday feeling also then. Yeah, you be on the 13th edition.
Feeling here come up. Oh, my mumba me raji. Me ya me more dun come by me raji. Come to go for Sulba. Ba we to mama. By me why come up easy.
But that's a share chrome. Enti ye go so ya kasa ide work no asase ya Adom ediache enche bia ye bekom na fe ye no no atwetwe enkomo o share live Adom TV so Orange Friday the 13th edition and ya de ebra asa enyum well, any Casamba Conson say, and yet there will be a bro, Untibrano, the cameraman Razak, Ojirani Nisosa, and I was zooming in, no zooming out, no a panel left, no a panel right. And tell you about to drone, not drone Sunam. It's all about Orange Friday. Mammy, Casa, Orange
Friday.
Orange
Friday.
Boko. Now I feel Orange Friday not today.
Oh yes, Sunkokra. What? Yeah, who be that? Yeah.
It's Abwa. Membro.
Membla.
Na yesa sa
Membla mo kwa me de kesi.
All right, but that's it.
Over then. Fatih Haruna.
Okay, Aunt Fatih. Yeah, that's papa. Eti Aunt Fatih no. Sweetie. Eti say bra. Eti say.
Nyame Adom.
You're frozen. Tina hwana me no nka say. You're frozen. Ama. Ufri kom here.
Yeah, me fe guase.
Oh, okay. Feeling it is Orange Friday. Ekoye.
Okoye pa. Na mo ma. And yesterday o twa ba yo.
Me ba to me that say. All right. Eti na say no pani brai. Bra na me bisa. You're frozen. That don't hold me. You're frozen Osu.
Yeah.
Come here now fi.
Hana me feel bad. Me Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast.
Yeah.
First Orange Friday experience in it.
I'm a member. A year be I'm a
fantastic. And I feel so feeling incident.
I feel feeling they're serious because they were. I don't know if or iPad, you know. In fact, or too much. I feel patient is serious. Extra atmosphere now because I'm with serious what town.
All right.
I serious.
But that's it. Aja. Yade.
Lafialo.
Then. Fatih. Fihaya. Oh, okay. I feel Orange Friday not then.
Alhamdulillah. No side.
Okwado. All right, me that's it. Eti yego so. Adom neighbor. Adom neighbor. Na squad neighbor. Say oh sha Adom no nipa bebro be 4,000. And I ask here. Ye bewie no na ye keka ko 10,000 in the moye. It is big. We go back to say that's right. Oh nyame sewa mami bought man a fancy doll. Mami is in her element. Mami wonu krom. Onu krom na you aje papa. Mami na you aje. Wa be fie. Mami na you aje papa. Mami.
It's Orange Friday. Na Orange Friday. Jumezi na Yerosheno float sonko biggest carnival West Africa. Birika na menwa jampa. Menwa ye papa. Osande nyimpa our town. Na muna mi nyina as am ting na sister fans no do.
Orange Friday.
It's Orange Fridays. Guess girls know what town. I put that say who? Hey brother. Guess girls know our town. The Marana boys know so our town. Na orokwadan obi ba nyimba kasa na orokwadan.
Oko.
Ari ji wanyo papa sisi.
Yes.
E kra wo fie dey ba ji wanyo adama.
But what?
No was about yet. Nyimpa dom no doso papa. Orange Friday ebrakadan.
Olokodo.
Orodan.
Sami.
Okay, no orokwadan.
Oh, afese na olokọ kama bibia eku. Motuma ka say sisi ano. Bibia ekre. Nice, so fine. Cape Coast. Oh, shout out to all Cape Coast members.
Atado.
Energy no high. Girls no chrome. Boys no so chrome. Now trailers no so are you ready? Amahuan. DJs no so are you ready? What you not do na? And you move asaw. And on your motto on Orange Friday. Jumezino. I say, I'm out for it when you papa. Hey, brother, I when you pal.
Make me go. I am grow. Orange Friday. The whole Cape Coast. Yeah, you are be papa. Yeji. Na fisu the wire son kokura.
I'm a fizzy wire son.
Adom ma fi wire son kwele. Ye wo ye nya ohien fofo a wo fi Nigeria. Wa ba ntanya ye nwa aje. Ntembo e kira yikisi Obitoro Park. Ante na fi the wire son kon. Nte hwa ma tempo e different.
Mehu that was on a different papa. Now a revival soon to now when they mama man name mama. Now who fear for you now wa ba na de binum wo fear ebe pede. Binum wo fear ebe pede ebe fa from one. Who fear for you now? Okay, Martin. Now we are for one ben and fa from one bra.
Ana me wona me yam. Awon wom.
Bobo one is ma bobo one.
Abedu aya ntaba mabna akbedu eja pia awon ya wom. Awunya wo wanke so na awunya wo bia wa abura matters aso down abura matters aso down ibia wo me nti aba on Friday yaba
okay and what's Samara why CJ
Orange
Friday
that's right enti yeguso ewa ha koso ahwe na yetwa homra sesi ai action in honey a bro. Stay with us. Orange Friday. All right, Oguaa Feru from that commercial break. Live from Cape Coast. Oguaa Feru Afahye, the 61st edition of Oguaa Feru Afahye, the 13th edition of Orange Friday. Yeah, edi akotene pa. Na Orange Friday no, tell na make no. Say ye the fun part, there's the cultural aspect. The reenactment of slave trade. And away a new honomono, Kane, Yana Abrofono, one more Edisa Jano, Nipa Ejano. I don't know what anyone. I fear be a reenactment. A Koso, Osha, Kepkos ha, slave trade, you know, a Koso, Papa, and Afibia. Sa reenactment. A Koso. Okay. I wanna offer them. Anane. Okay.
For Winneba, if you win about.
Okay.
Yeah, simple logo. Simple Winneba. About straight trade. Asian days, what more treating a phone. Never child, yeah, my friend. Where's it? My concert say, or chairman about more band. And for Asian days, here is there. They make a panel and your own from Woody. As a message, we are but concert each other. A before problem before treating a bad. And say, okay. Until be but tell you our phone there. Apart from there, yeah, before one day, yeah, I don't for more. One will be. Yeah, different from one. Because of it, what can I know? We say different from one. Yeah, that's when.
That's it. That's Papa. Ain't opening or no? And sorry, enactment here, cause we honor that one more. Ano, yeah, me no at the train come out here. My chin so swa. Nananum and I'm also so at Santania. One more airby now. Where no mean who say a soft foe. So malam foe. Opening. Mama me no to train come out. Razak. Brandy say, mammy. Na mene and penny for the train come out. Near Konica cracker. Open over to Anna. Ah, careful, near Swaha. Your frozen.
Ebenezer. Yeah.
Okay, now my father, Bomukaka. Where are you for?
Yeah, orange are soft.
We are orange are soft. And the Osofo Ebenezer. Okay. Osofo Ebenezer. And Afibia, we say my
Afibia, Demian, but I am sending you a crack. And
today I said, soon, so Monomona Mudianimu.
Sure.
Oh, Asofo, also your friends, Asofo.
Your friend maybe is a Cuban.
What's your friend Ebenezer?
Yeah.
Now, what's that, Anna? When you're afraid of Ebenezer?
Ostimbiaso, Ostimbian and Nebusa.
Okay. But when you Orange Friday, Asofo.
But,
okay. And that's the what do you mean that the BBA by Kamakama? Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. 80. Not just Orange Friday, Asofo. And I mean, no more actual train common. Now, strategically, one more mudia nimu. Send a bayer soon soon. One baby a quite no more at all. Na Jumadi and Etimi. So it's all fun. Over 4,000 yet. We are now getting into about 6,000 people. Yes. Yejinem.
Bijirem, Inyo. I'm a cape with Sabula, Inso, cape with Sabula. I'm a carpenter, no see a bicycle repeller. Now, feed the wires on Coca. It's a bit better than Asia. I feel one maybe an Asia on Tumumra. Umbra, Orange Friday.
Maybe I mean, Yedra, Mulads and we will. Safi, you do an HSM, which you are natural. You do Starlet 91 road. Let to where you are, National Domina. We will say, do let you say, me last year, ma. Munina, natural few.
All right, Madam say. So we are still on. Akakana do Pedu Junction. Adom ne ba no moba. Baby a obedru bia na man for no air joining. One more joining into Adom ne de. Ba na domino. One more eba. Enya sam ketwa. All right, Titi. Yankoso. Nanahima, when you kasa kakrai. Ofroden. Memuna. Why is your papa? All right. Eti boy kakrai. What you friend then? My Nana singing then.
Oh, like I culture, Fibia, like I am proud today. Yeah, I am a chronom. I need you. Because Cape Coast, you ain't to for Kumasi. Now, may you maybe why they like you feel proud. Yeah, you're chromade, Bema. Why, say.
That's Papa Memuna, but that's Papa. Nana, Afishapa.
I think what
you think I catch me?
I was from Kwesi upon.
Kwesi upon. Also, got cultural groups.
I'm the founder of the cultural group.
I want you founder. Okay, about Butai not Thai cultural group in it.
Cultural group no Butai they able promote the rich culture of Africa. Ne the moon tina ya wahade.
Ti afibia why that?
Oh ya afibia ne ebia any performance be offer African history you can book.
Okay, ti yan show afedi antina ntu tu kenta na bibi na de dem botoi apampas.
De bi sa sampa pare ye. Ne sentire de ehwe kotokuya okitaminya. Se bohwe wona woze enyim na obi sua anyo. Obi sua koko. Se Ghana hade nu se yehwa kotokui waye bebre amahen. Se anyo was babre hen na chira wakura no wode mukotokuyim ansa na hen na yebezi no yensa aka. Fitim fe bebre na anyo no wode gude mukotokuyim. Na koko no so oka yan ejapaza owo wa Ghana nti no sesu nti koko no so se wode botu kwana akwa amananze
so boto ya
kotoku ye oketemi ya no wazugum no no chere kotoku onye kotokujan oye kotoku a like on my yan nzama bebre on my yenye sika so ne dem hu nti na on my nde ye display ye di dem kotoku ye za ya ashanso zama obiara de dem kotoku mommo mbu na gengenze oye mfasuzizi ma hen bebre njo
medo aspapa udin ni bio
Kwesi upon
medo say ohima memuna medo say all right eti na say a cultural troupe no senia womo ahye ne ma wei na womo kai say tete wobika tete e wo bi kire wo hwe senia womo afam hu ya amanfo dodo no a so na ginagina kwan chen a womo atwen se float no ebeduru ha Adom TV Amamere live from Cape Coast Orange Friday chen na yenjin katwe emra sisia
my yansan yamma wa kwa babiom Embra Orange Friday, Amamere and Erishano, Namamere so say baby. Oh yeah, events no will be around. Yes, Babra Ofie live on Adom TV and Erishado Orange Friday. I'm America say the Fanta doll. Na Manyoraka say Orange Friday, Jumezino, Asha said the dow. Ayananto, Efri Hot Church. Ayachum Pedu. Na henanyi mopa na yarko na America with the baby e makwa wie e Chapel Square nti no sisi ara no nyimpa dom no Waba Town nyimpa bebre Aba Town na zawara ba nyina ina roba no Waba vibe nti no orange t-shirts orange socks sa orange ni kan epede orange dress me pede biara no kwanya eda honom Mohia in that other by orange na epemu uwo chrome. Intino kwafo wa town papa mehu erababi na ono no socks in ara orange after than na me adumo me hoye. Orokodan ekoye pa. You fi chrome hade na most make tree.
Me free aba say on se kumasi na metina eni nti na ma make tree sa no.
Inti igwe hade na ewo.
Me pa chwan.
Eti hi for ogo ya.
Bacho me o message any chodo
any todo honom na wo na o wife pa o socks socks in orange
afina say one ba me hia okromfo na o say wo nkan wo bi nti afina so say uba what I say unis ka so force na uba na ye culture no besua bi ye mu on ma ye nim ni papa nti se ye ba ha no mo ya ni esua bi said that to be ye mabino ye to me the idea ye to me the actual woman so what I say
Samaranyan orange
Friday
orange
Friday
orange
Friday
mommy I will keep on we hu
but you here na mo
okay Now, I feel Orange Friday any who no more decision.
Pa record ankasa. Yenya de shiezi bebre wo. Senti yana na no wazi yana crying. On the way you train. In your Tinkano Yamana, you good man. Yellow in your tea. Or record papa.
Now, Ebushaf no be our now, it be my coffee and cafe from one of them.
Ah, Sister Ekuska. Manana Ekuska, Ofi Osula Badi. Watch out, when you're a castle hat say.
What's Ombra Town at home? Ombra Town now, Ombra almost share. It's no gas, no town, boys, no, or town. Our police who no, were vibe for more here. They been your orange t-shirt. Now I join Orange. In Orange.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying?
About you Friday, oh, Orange.
Friday,
Now, I bet you know how they if it's a crowd in a bear.
If there be a fit man, a baby man, I say a tribute and sunny alcohol.
Now, I must lay your orange t-shirt and I join.
A company, I bet my mom t-shirt in my say and find Shannon from baby.
Okay, Nancy, I bet what shall if we are Bazay, a town.
I need you. I may need next time. I feel this is beside the tribute. Yes, I could be. And the choir made my choir tribute.
I shall bet who by gym last time.
And the baby baby and a dumb papa and I have a tribute.
No one Samaritan, into no baby ara in your hair. Igway I doubt in the baby. Igway I don't want Casanca. Higher do. Baby ara in ye gwe from Hade, on ya some kakaba orange. Friday, baby ara aya orange, obiara aya crado, that warbana, wababa jim when you are more from a woman pay for Orange Friday in your age. Mammy orange. Friday, orange, Friday, no, then you more from any there pay up a day. I wasn't anyone imagine.
I fear so. O Yankupa na drum. I feel wa to him. Or day nyina ye pay. Na ye decision yammy when yam day at the say. I call chatty, but Nina Gina Yame na drum. No do into na minimum from any nyina ye pay. Na yabe Gina had a rushe. You want a so na ochade yamias, a fias.
You must be from maybe a casana and one and another to bread. Hey, orange, who is moving more from. All trying about the body which I can wear orange. Friday, oh, the part of my mini one about chrome. Life. Hey, would you buy Baby ara enye aha boys no oh town papa no so oh papa
orange is number 1 if you compare baby biara with the fashion orange ocha bibia mu kowo abadio orange Friday ocha ni nyina mu e Ghana ha Oguaa Feru Afahye number 1 afashe in the country until ene wa ha ende ehu edoma woreba Afashe nanti na dodo na wa ha de ze mo obi afisha pa
afin kombo to he na papa baby mama wa kwanye hu na cheche ebusuafo ofie obi ara so wo ba ha ondo ha biara friend on so lembrem
yes obi biara wa kwantuma oreba na ombedwe no ye bon pe de yakopɛ na Adom omo nyo abeso asomdwe mu
World champion, 5 years, Oguaa Feru Afahye, Prince, Oguaa Feru Afahye, including one company, 5 years, no time, inshallah.
And over crowd. Yeah, one more joining flow to know the biggest Orange Friday. Make us idea at Pedu Junction. Yeah, I'm High Street in so going into Cape Coast proper. Ababi idea niache Cape Coast Sports Stadium, the old one, the old sports stadium. Honey idea niache. Now a month for one more side and side. One more exit Quanchain, yeah, one more air train, and Yasam Ketua. A domino so actually super. Aha, make us say the MCC Americano, ya miamu kakra. Osha, a dominant bar, no more air but trailers. Bayer in Sia, yeah, heavy sound equipment. I was war. Yeah, airborne young brass band the four. Any akra who do be brave. And one more nam kwanswa. Yaka say one more eba. Well, you ever heard any amount for me? After train and come out, me mammy, ewa ma. I don't see you doing your fraud then.
What from Mammy?
Mammy, my bread,
but I enjoy.
I enjoy.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm happy in this Feru Afahye.
All right. I hear if you are.
Mifihara.
Oh, okay.
Sahara.
And she said, if you show it, you say, and I feel went to Mamba. Putting at the man the next year after that.
When you know, in some one of Mazana this year, Ombra, because I feel I am son cocra. I fear you just son coda. Into the next year went to Mamba. No, Yanala. Into the Bible touch it there next year, Yakupon Adom, no beyond tomorrow. Because I feel why a fantastic.
Medase.
Yafayatam pay fra. Bibi asoro kwado wo mahama nanyim
medase papa mama esi enti yaguso ewa ha my boys ni bi so ha momra masabra
Pablo
ana oya onya masa oya oba usuro
na
ya frozen
Pablo
ye odi ankasa ya frozen Jeremiah all right feeling it is Orange Friday no
eku hot ankasa. Amazing. Orange Friday. BBR Kodo. Why do you go there one? BBR Kodo. Why do
Cape Coast, the whole Ghana is in Cape
Coast. The whole Ghana is in Cape Coast.
Yeah, man.
That's right. I love that. The whole Ghana is in Cape Coast. The whole Ghana is in Cape Coast. And it is what it is. And Shannon Ghana and Tresia, our Cape Coast is the biggest street carnival. Yamfa Aseda Emma, the luckiest festival rave. Nyame Adoma, Anumrei Shatawale is in town. Yamfa Aseda also Emma, Fidelity Bank. Believe with us. South Sudan Aseda Guinness. And so Ekrasene and Yadi Yade Ebrewo. Midi the chief Jerry Force Minimiaba. Fantidol. And Yadi Jumadi Yadi Hunchame. Sweetibra. Oh, my Hishawacha, Papa. Brahmin Kasa. Or rather, Doctors. If you are. If you are anything crying.
If you had
it. Okay, feeling it today. Orange Friday feeling not today.
It's so good, amazing, nice, pa.
Okay, all right. You better come on, all right, sure. All right, what friend then?
What friend Felix?
Yeah. If you hear
yeah.
Orange Friday feeling not today.
Orange Friday energy. The whole region, 16 regions where Ghana had.
Yeah, yes, sure.
Has it? Abahana and two Orange Friday and another fashion and baby.
That's right.
Because I am extraordinary.
That's right.
I am excellent.
That's right.
Why should someone now conduct?
That's right.
That's
right.
Massa, the biggest.
That's right.
West Africa.
That's right.
The whole world.
That's right.
The biggest. Aside this Orange Friday, that's
right. What I say. So vibes upon vibes. Mami Boatima. Some 2 minutes, ma'am. Now, Masumuko commercial break. Remember, sis, yeah.
No summer again. Orange Friday, and I yes you are channel why do papa. Now for origin one fashion so high papa na brother yankasa address the papa Orange Friday
me now maybe mbada
introduction and chan wiki pon akape watal apata na to wada down
ada to buy kenya I'm a Monday Monday I'm not tell no but you know why they said I you far away from Takwa and said I am feeling you never be
no so they come we ata
but why them for man door so for man
Orange Friday and what's a maranya and I brought 4 hours from her no why you want home frame one waka celebration oh hello what's your name Ajua. If you say your name is Ajua, it means you can speak Tree.
Just a greetings.
Okay, so what can you say in Tree?
Medashi. Etsem and Boko.
So you've been here witnessing what is going on. What do you think about what's going on?
This festival?
Yes, the street carnival. What do you think about it?
Yeah, it was very fun. So I had so enjoy. I am enjoying.
How about you? What's your name?
Abenata.
Abana.
Yes, Ata.
Hey, Abana. Welcome to Ghana.
Thank you very much.
How long have you been in Cape Coast?
Just 2 days.
Okay. Yeah. And so are you enjoying yourself at this carnival?
I really enjoying the festival. Thank you.
Okay. How about you? How do you see the Orange Friday carnival?
Orange Friday is good. Nice. So nice.
So when I say orange, you say Friday.
Orange Friday. Why do you call Orange Friday?
Okay, it's Orange Friday because it's a Friday where everybody comes out wearing orange. And then they go dancing and having fun.
It is Orange Friday.
Okay, so if I say orange, say Friday. Okay. So orange.
Would you change Mam Kuramini see as this is an area?
Bredo.
A Juopa Ugumba, Ada, Uncle Papa, why?
Orange
Friday.
Orange.
All called by me for Takra and Maba. By me with a head on Santa Clara. Oh, too much. It's a map, Mayo. Iowa.
No, they go beside baby to a one.
Station on the minimum.
Sakara, sakara, hey, sakara, sakara, hey, sakara, sakara. Orange
Friday.
Ekoso. All right, iti yegoso. Orange Friday. Amamere no. Yede sumu ewo Adom TV so. Now on the sidelines, a lot of businesses. And so unity. Ejedi ahodo na ekoso. Omo a womo ton nuane ahodo. Wa womo abie sports, mini sports. Ewo kwanchan bebre. Womo so de esi wo mapampam na womo de nam enipa nim. Eno so bebre. Enti no ya ji ani no na binom so enam ho a womo ade eye business omanfo eye business papa omanfo right into domino da na doso one more change and change na one more train na float no edru ho yes so one more joining into one man for there where about you go so your name among phone be entertain and come on.
Downwell, no, until one day, Baba. I'm careful now. Don't go to the
all right, international from one of the organizers, Gabi.
Baby, I record Dembra, Oguaa Feru Afahye 2025. Na Orange Friday ninti. And there, Demo Carnival na Oguaa Feru Afahye. Nti wama ibialo wo baby a pedo witness Orange Friday. Nti Dembra oye multimedia one so abe one witness be, but kwampo yan tracks nimpo one started the World Bowl.
Baby, I do one started the year. Let's have a pina, but
Yakita were fund and 12 low beds. 12 tracks are well back. Your first one in Ponte Abran Kwampo Young Kevin Pedro Johnson between Togo and Cote d'Ivoire main road in Young Kevin cry. Your first second track with the house. Now, yes, the way I don't know what and you move what trying and one over waiting now. You can put the Orange Friday, a carnival, young friend there, the whole West Africa. And one about witness because a multimedia say what Baba in Cape FM 93.3 in the day or ya awesome bo. And one Dembra Wabana in one show, Massa, one shame. In Tebusian for one share or your multimedia a Biawa there or yeah. Why be today or your official A for or a Oguaa Feru Afahye? Ewa, enti biaso olushe Oguaa Feru Afahye the way ya obako obabia ya Orange Friday.
That's right.
Enyo, enti Orange Friday ni ze oye aza obi apye.
All right, Papa Gabriel. PK Edu, Medas Papa. All right, it's here. Go see the Amamere now, live from Cape Coast. Orange Friday, the 13th edition. And I do a woman, you know, bro. May you